Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance, episode 98 of Guess the Trade, where subscribers send in their loadouts, we take a look at the tools, and then we see if we can guess in the comment section below what it is that they do with those tools. Before we get into episode 98, let's talk about episode 97. We looked at Wyatt the Pilot's loadout, all sorts of things to look at. He had a Carhartt bag with some tools in it, pack out organizers, pack out crates, gear wrench, toolbox, some other welding type supplies, even had a backpack with some school supplies and things like that in it. But lots of great tools to look at. What was it ultimately that Wyatt did with all those things? Well, believe it or not, he said that he is a high school junior in an email to me, but he did say that his high school allows him to take collegiate trade school classes, and right now he's taking some welding classes. So he says he does welding, carpentry, farmhand. I can't even remember what else. It's a pretty long list of things, along with a fisherman at the end, which deals with the tackle box and the fishing bait and all the lures and all those kinds of things like that. So really interesting loadout. I appreciate you, Wyatt, for sending that in. On episode 98, we're going to do a reload episode, and that means we've already looked at this person. We already know what it is they do because they've given us an answer, but it's a new loadout, a set of pictures that we haven't looked at yet that we're going to check out. Well, back in episode 95, we looked at Jor Yanez's MB3 bag. Decent amount of tools inside of that little bitty bag right there, and we learned from that he is an apartment maintenance technician, but that he also does some HVAC work. Well, he also sent in his loadout of his Veto tech pack. That's what we're going to look at today. So maybe you've been thinking about getting a tech pack. Maybe you can't decide if you're in the same field as him. Maybe his loadout's going to help you get that answer. But let's go ahead and look at Jor's Veto tech pack. So first picture, again, remember it is a Veto Tech Pack Blackout. Looks like it's fairly new to him. The handle up there still has some shrink wrap on it. Again, remember he is in apartment maintenance and then also does HVAC stuff. I think he typically uses this bag, or he bought it to put all his HVAC stuff in. He's got his hoses up there in the front. I know Veto makes a hose hauler. I think that's what it's called now or something like that. But he's just got his up there in kind of that front flap of the Tech Pack. Next picture, we've got all the tools up here in the front. I'm seeing lots of Klein, from pencil to non-contact voltage tester to screwdrivers, M12, impact it looks like right there. Looks like some probes and stuff down there in the front side as well. He does pull these out, so I'm not going to zoom in like crazy. But again, if you're in apartment maintenance or you do HVAC work, you've been thinking about a tech pack, here are some tools that you might typically use, kind of loaded in there to give you an example. So here is the back side. Doesn't look like he's got a ton in that, which that's not as easy to get in and out of. So sometimes people don't really load, that side down too awful much. But it looks like he's got the Veto, or not the Veto, but the Vessel torsion ball, I think is what they're called as far as the bits. And then he's got a Klein, I think that's a Klein leak detector, a Klein Swedish pipe wrench style wrench, some quad wrenches. So lots of Klein stuff in his bag. He's also got a Testo 570 something right there. We see him out right here, so let me zoom in a little bit here. So 570S on his gauge set, and then also he's got the probes and stuff up there. So he's running Testo. I don't really do a lot of that side of HVAC work, so I've never really got into buying like a fancier gauge. I've seen a lot of people run Testo in the videos I watch. I've seen a lot of people use field piece in the videos that I watch. I kind of lean towards the field piece in the videos I watch. Looks like it's better to me, but again, I've never used either one of them, so don't take my word for any of it. But I am interested in the feedback from any of you guys that do a lot of the HVAC side of things. If you've ran both especially, do you feel like one's better than the other? Put that in the comments below. But he has the Testo version of things, and it looks like he's got, again, a Klein ET160. I'm assuming that's a leak detector, I would think. And then again, the Swedish pipe wrench. Curious about your feedback on that, Jor, what you think about that. And I think that's just a regular M12 impact up there as well. We'll go on to the next picture. So here are all the hand tools, lots of Knipex and Klein basically. So he's got the Klein, he's got that new 6-in-1 insulated driver. I actually really like that so far. He's got the M500 megometer to basically check motors and things and see if they're bad, good, whatever. I think are those, let's see, Appion, is that how you say that? I think those are Schrader core valve removers. Again, I've never done that, so I'm not 100% sure. I'm just going by what I've watched people do, so I think that's what those are. He's also got the Klein non-contact voltage tester, Milwaukee pipe reamer, the HVAC 8-in-1, I think, from Klein, USB Vessel. He's also got a small Klein small little voltage tester right there, service wrench, scribe, the pocket Klein, a Malco 5/16 quarter, He's got the Klein 27-in-1 up there, and then he's got the forged wire strippers, pliers, wrench in the 180s and the 250s, and then Cobras in the 180s and 250s, all in the comfort grip handles right there. So he's got all those. And then I guess I didn't see these in the bag, so maybe they're in there somewhere. Maybe they were like tucked down at the bottom, or he's just showing that these are tools that he also uses. So he's got like a small borescope of some kind. Not sure on the brand on that. I don't know if it says it on that yellow C30 borescope. I'm not sure if there's a brand of that or not. Looks like a small flashlight of some kind. Stud Buddy, Milwaukee torpedo level. That's the one I've got in all my bags. Also the M12 oscillating tool, and then the M12 copper tubing cutter, which is fantastic, you know, for cutting copper. I absolutely love that thing. So he's got those there, and then that's his name. So again, very short on this reload. Basically, but again, we know what it is that he does: apartment maintenance and HVAC. I think this is probably more he's setting it up for his HVAC bag by the looks of it. But again, if you've been looking at a tech pack or something like that, here is a loadout of the inside of the bag, and then also here is the outside of the bag with those hoses in it. Appreciate you, Jor, for sending your loadout. Maybe you've got some questions for him. Make sure and ask those in the comment section below. Also, I do not have any more submissions for Guess the Trade. I probably won't do one next Saturday anyways, because we're going to have Christmas all next week and all those kinds of things, so I'll probably do a delay. But if you want to be in the Guess the Trade, make sure and send me one. I think instead of next Saturday doing a Guess the Trade at the time I premiere this video, I probably won't do a live next Thursday either. With Christmas and all that going on, I might just do a live next Saturday in the same time slot where I normally do the premiere of this Guess the Trade. But definitely, if you want to be in the Guess the Trade, make sure and email me your photos and your submission along with your YouTube handle. I appreciate you, Jor, again, sending your loadout. Appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you got something out of it. As always, I do hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.